I'm back for good this time. So it's been a while. A lot has happened in the past little while. So things have changed. I am now actually exactly where I wanted to be ever since I left the farm. Things just didn't work out where I was, and now I am feeling happier, healthier, and I'm ready to get back into YouTube. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna do a little bit of winter growing indoors. I'll just show you a few little tips and tricks that I've learned from when we had the farm, except on a much smaller scale. In the springtime, however, I have a lot more property to work with, so we will be able to do a lot of different cool things. But today I just want to show you. I had bought this greenhouse last winter actually. I'll put the picture of it right here so that you can see what it looks like and with all the dimensions and stuff. It's a 28-inch wide by 19.3 inch deep by 62.2 inch high little greenhouse. So I'm gonna get it set up and I'm gonna do a little bit of planting some herbs and stuff like that. I do have herbs planted behind me. I'm not sure if you can see them. I'll show them to you after. And I'm gonna propagate a few, put them into soil, and we're gonna see how it goes. I'm also going to be doing some microgreens. I did do some a while back, but I didn't film. So today I'm just gonna start them. I'm not gonna show you the start, and then I'll update on my camera each day until they're done. So it'll take probably around, I'm gonna say around 5 to 7 days, 7 to 10 days maybe, depending on how fast they grow. And then I'll put a video together and show you exactly how to do that at home. And it's super easy. They're super delicious. Yeah, so let me get this baby unpacked, and I'm gonna see how difficult it will be, you know, me putting stuff together. I'm not sure if I'm gonna video me putting it together. Probably not, because you don't really need to see that, but I want to give a bit of a review on it. I'm not doing this as a sponsor or anything. This is just something I want to do, and just see what the quality is like. I also did buy some lights to go in here to help with my microgreens after they come out of blackout, and to help with my plants in general. So let me get this thing taken out of the box and put together, and I'll be right back. All right, so I just opened the box, and I was thinking the frame of it would be metal for whatever reason. I guess I didn't look at the picture well enough. It's all cedar, and it smells absolutely wonderful. So it's all gray colored cedar, which is nice. And very little hardware. There's some screws. So all I need is my screwdriver, and I need a hammer. I gotta go get a hammer. Not sure what the hammer's for, but if I need it, I'll go get it. And then there is this plastic cover for it. And I'm not gonna worry about that right now. So it doesn't look like it's gonna take me long to set up. I'll get it set up and I'll be right back. All right, so I got it together. It actually didn't take very long at all. I had a few mess ups, but I figured them out. Just follow the instructions. I forgot to say too, you can purchase these at Home Depot, Canadian Tire. You can do Wayfair. Amazon, I'm not sure if you can, but if you just take the name that I show you on the box and search it, it was around, I'm gonna say around 200, maybe a little bit more than that. And it does come with the cover. I do like the fact that it's all cedar. And I'm not gonna put the plastic on right now, but I do have the lights set up. I'm not gonna keep them at this height or anything. I was just trying to figure out how to put them up. because they do come with brackets. So you can see the brackets here, which generally you would screw into like the ceiling part. Well, I really don't have a ceiling part, and I want to be able to adjust the height. So this, I cut my wire too short, and I'll neaten that up later on. But I just took the bracket and put the wire underneath, and then put the bracket on with the wire underneath, and then twisted it around. And these I just got from a local garden center. And I'll show you the box, actually. So I got 2 of these, and they were $44.99 each. And there's the information you need if you're planning on doing anything like this. They're fluorescent grow lights, of course. That's that. I was going to plant some stuff, seed some stuff, but I'm kind of running out of time today. Yeah, so I do like it. I love the fact that they're cedar, and I like that these all move. So you can move them over to one section and all the way down, and you can have a taller plant growing, like a tomato plant or pepper plant, cucumber. I'm going to try all of this winter just to see. You all know that I've never done a small scale growing, really. I mean, I did a little while ago, but it was nothing with growing from seed with grow lights and such. So yeah, I'm anxious actually to see. I'm like, that looks so pretty. I just want to put plants that are already ready under these lights. So here we have thyme, we have basil, and we have rosemary. And we love to cook with all of these. We love pesto, so I want to cook a lot of basil, or I want to grow a lot of basil. And thyme we use on chicken and, well, you know, pretty much any meat at all, any sauce, any cooking, period. And rosemary I love on chicken. I love rosemary, period, on anything, really. So that is that. And it's pretty cute. I want to see, actually. We're going to move things around here. And I'm going to put this one up there. Yeah, I like that, except the light. So I'm going to have to figure out my lighting for sure, because I can't have that light right on those leaves of the rosemary. Let me bring you around here. I can't like have that happening. So I'm not sure what we're going to do with that. But we are very excited to start growing and doing regular videos each week. And yeah, it's pretty exciting to be back. I'm glad to be back. I feel much better. I want to get into this, and this is what I'm going to do weekly. It's going to be fantastic. So bear with me, and next video will be on my microgreens. I'm going to start them, and it's also going to be, actually before that will be the potting of just different herbs and stuff like that. And then we're going to get into tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers through winter growing. So I'm hoping that it'll all work out. So you guys have a great day, have a great weekend, and talk to you soon. Bye.